If you're just getting started with credit or rebuilding after a rough patch, choosing the right credit card can make all the difference. You want something easy to get approved for, that reports to all three bureaus, and helps you build real history. Here are three of the best starter cards to look into. 1. Discover It Secured. This is a top choice for beginners. You put down a refundable deposit as low as $200, and they report to all three credit bureaus. What makes it stand out is the cashback rewards and the possibility of graduating to an unsecured card after several months of on-time payments. 2. Capital One Platinum. No rewards here, but it's designed for people with limited or fair credit. You don't need to put down a deposit and there's no annual fee. It's a solid option to start building trust with a major bank. After consistent on-time payments, they often increase your limit automatically. 3. Chime Credit Builder. This one works differently. There's no credit check and no interest. You load your own money onto the card and it reports to all three credit bureaus just like a real credit card. It's perfect for those who've been denied by traditional lenders and want something simple that works. All of these cards are built for people like you, folks who are trying to build or rebuild their credit the smart way. The key isn't just getting approved, it's using the card wisely. Keep your balances low, pay on time every time, and don't overextend yourself. To learn more, visit CreditFixGuy.com. If you have any questions, email us at service@CreditFixGuy.com.